Hey guys, welcome back. So today we'll be painting two eyes. First is the straight, and second would be 3/4 face. I generally just map the area the eyes would go, like a sleeping mask. Just making sure it's good. It's a bit curved, as you can see. It's not straight. It's curved because our face is not straight. It's curved. That's why. So yeah, circle, two big circles. For the eyelash, we start the a bit higher than the middle of the circle and a bit higher than this point the other way. Same goes for this. And now we map our eyelash. Start thin, then go thick like this, then like this. Just join. We have a circle for the eyeball. I'm painting, same goes with this one. Your sketch will look good if your circles are good. Now, if we're looking here, so the iris is going there. So we basically drew one circle, big circle, an eyelash, and now we'll paint the iris. There we go. Iris. There we go. Let's just color the iris first so we won't face any problem later on. Now what I do is just make the eye a bit sketchy. This would be a reflection one. Why am I painting this one here? Because if the iris is looking here, so the iris is going to be at the top right, and this whole area is empty. So we want this to fill this area with something. So I'll do this as one reflection and this as the other. This one is darker. This one would be lighter. Now we make a simple bright light. That's our easy, simple eye. Just now for second eye, again start with mapping the eye. Now we make two circles within the lines, our area. This one would be squeezed. Just make sure it looks good. Now for the eye, let's point it this direction. Shadows. So first one would be something like this. Another one would be somewhat like this. like this. We can even do a bit more art and craft here, like this. So there goes our two eyes. Let me know in the comment section what do you think of these bit unique eyes. These look a bit different than what I imagine I would draw, but still, what do you guys think? Especially this one. And let me know what you guys want to see next. Thank you.